There's been several requests for a walk around of the shop, and although I don't have much to show you guys yet, I do have things starting to take shape in here. As you can see, it's not a huge space. I didn't need a huge space, so this is a 750 square foot shop. It's an L shape, which is a little unusual, but it does have a giant slide-up door that allows me to pull my vehicles in, which was absolutely necessary. Getting these things off the street and up on a lift has been a game changer. I installed this lift on like the third day I moved in here, before I'd even figured out where everything was going to go, and it has already proved it's worth its weight in gold. It's really, really amazing to be able to use a lift to get the truck up in the air, to see what I'm working on, and to bring you guys some cool angles and video of working on the truck. I have a whole bunch of new tools that I've acquired with the space. I've now added a belt sander. I've got a good table grinder, bench grinder. I picked up a drill press, and I have back there, I've got some transmission jacks, I've got some screw jacks. I got a bunch of stuff to make me safe and productive, which is what I needed out of this space. I've basically decided at this point that all times the vehicle is going to be pulled in backwards. This gives me a lot more flexibility in how I can get into the garage space. Driving in and having the front in the front and the back in the back was not that feasible for me. So moving the truck this way gives me this whole area for fabrication work, for tools, for moving things around and about. And then when I do need to pull the vehicle out, I can just slide everything over from this area over into the alcove and main entrance. Over near here, this is where I am keeping a lot of my small parts. This guy has been dedicated to small parts for a long time, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. Let me give you a shot into having everything easily accessible through these drawers is clutch. I don't need immediate access to them, so I did swap these two. The black one was over here and the red one was over there before, but this seems to be the best setup that I have found to really help my workflow. All my tools are readily available, so I don't have to keep running around and going back into the garage and all that stuff. And the lighting is good too, so I can see everything I need to see, I can get to everything I need to get to, and I have the space for so much activities. I've moved a lot of my small parts, storage, extra parts, fluids, you name it, over to the shop, and being able to get everything nice and dialed with these shelves I picked up. It really, really is a game changer, having all this space. Got my whiteboard of many things that I jot down the ideas that constantly come to me. I've got a whole section dedicated to my camera equipment and charging. And I've also got some cool projects underway because I finally have the space to do them. I am so stoked. I can't wait to share with you guys how this place comes together. I want to thank the companies that have sent me some banners to make this place look a little bit more friendly and less like a jail. And yeah, I am psyched. It's going to be a good upgrade. I'm looking forward to sharing with you guys some of the projects that I can now tackle with the increased space and flexibility. It's also going to come through in better film quality. I'm shooting with my iPhone right now, but this is the camera that I have started swapping over to with the appropriate hardware and lenses on here. The footage should be excellent. Slider and tripod is going to give me those cool angles to keep you guys engaged, and the colors and the clarity that I can get with this and the mic are going to be awesome. So needless to say, I still have quite a bit of work to do to get this place fully set up and dialed in, but Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is my shop. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys stick around to see what kind of magic I can whip up in this place. It's been a long time coming, and I am very excited, and I hope you guys are too.